So previously, when we had quadratic equations that just had a regular old x squared in the front, once you got those two numbers, remember you were able to just factor the x squared, and then you could just toss in the numbers and you could just toss in those numbers, and then you were done with the factoring part. Now, unfortunately, it's more complicated than that. And it's more complicated than that because you've got that 2 in front of there. So now that you've gotten that number 2 and number 3, what you're actually going to use it for is to take that middle term, so that 5 times x, and you're going to split it into 2 terms. You're going to split it into 2x plus 3x. Then you're going to bring the rest of the formula down. So 2x squared plus 2x, oops, excuse me, I just burped, plus 2x plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So all you're doing with that 2 and that 3 that you got in step 2, now you're doing step 3, and in step 3, you are taking that middle term and you're splitting it up using the numbers that you got in step 2. So 5x is now going to turn into 2x plus 3x.